I actually think that one of the things that I see quite a bit is insider trading policies that are ambiguous, well, twofold. Ambiguous as to whether or not they create a duty. So the first question I usually ask when I'm looking at a policy is, does the policy establish a duty of confidentiality? Even if there are other confidentiality provisions that the company relies on to impose that duty on employees, is there a duty in the policy? And then does it address trading in other securities, trading outside of the securities that are involving the company or its partners or targets? And so to me, trying to educate, part of it is educating clients about how sector trading works and what happens when you that you can trade in a stock that will potentially benefit from the news affecting another stock. But you can imagine all the potential arguments that come into play as to both scienter and materiality, breach of duty, and the foreseeability of can anyone say that, I mean, there's even a question in connection with material information is how much is the stock going to move? It's one thing to ask that about the company that is the subject of the news. It's another thing to ask that about a company that's maybe not the subject of the news, but just happens to be in the same sector.